Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can enable streamer mode on Discord. So for instance, you go like live, Discord will like protect a lot of your details when you go live, so that when you accidentally open Discord and like something pops up, maybe it'll like cover it from that. But you're just going to go to user settings and you're just going to go to streamer mode. And as you can see, you can just enable streamer mode. I have this automatically enabled if OBS or this XSplit is running on this computer. It's going to hide personal information like email, connected accounts, notes, and other things. Hide invite links too. Sound effects and also desktop notification will be turned off when you go live. So for instance, you do use Discord and you have desktop notifications enabled. When you go into streamer mode and when you go live, it's going to be disabled so people can't see your Discord notifications. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!